lahat po considered as resource person and witness. Lahat po naman kayo, lahat resource person pa eh. Wala pa naman po tayong tinatawag na lahat po considered as resource person pa naman po.
Right. Opo. Ang nasa rules ninyo, witnesses lang po ang nag-o-oath. Wala po kayong rules sa resource persons.
You're just a witness. You're a witness. Pareho na rin yung witness and source person. They are not the same. The Supreme Court says they are not the same.
Lumapit ako kay Gloria Arroyo. Sinabihan ko siya, Ma'am, huwag ka na magpa-stress. Kaya ko ito.
If the Vice President refused to take her oath, we will respect that.
So may I request to leave?
Ma'am,